Want to create viral AI pet dancing videos for free? No editing experience needed? In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 powerful methods you can start using today. Let's go! First method, use Picwand AI dance video effects to turn any pet photo into a viral dance video, like the trending zoo dance. This transforms a still image into an eye-catching, shareable clip. 1. Go to Picwand AI. Click More Effects under AI Video Effects. Then go to the Dance category. You'll find a variety of trending dances from social media. Just upload a photo, and Picwand will generate a viral dance motion. We'll use Chanel dance as an example. 2. Select the Chanel dance effect or a similar one. 3. Upload a photo of your pet or pet. 4. Click Generate. Picwand automatically generates trending dance moves for your pets. It can accurately recognize animals, and the model has gone through many iterations to ensure the output looks realistic with well-proportioned pet movements. Let's take a look at the results. The second method is to use Picwand's AI image-to-video tool. The advantage is that you can customize the dance moves more flexibly. 1. Upload a single pet image. 2. Add a short dance prompt, for example, pet dancing happily. 3. Click Generate gives AI will animate the movement based on your image. This method works for pets, cartoons, any pet you want to dance. It's perfect for viral reels, meme content, or channel shorts. Third method, use Picwand's AI text-to-video. Type what you want and watch it animate. 1. Go to Picwand AI text-to-video. 2. Enter text prompt describing the dancing pet. For example, cute panda doing a happy dance with colorful lights. 3. Click Generate gives AI creates full animated video. This approach gives you full customization and creative control. No image needed. Try these tools today and make your viral AI pet dancing clip. If this helped, smash like and subscribe for more AI video tutorials. Comment which method you'll try first.